Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to change the lock screen on Windows 11 step by step. You can use your favorite wallpaper, slideshow, or even Windows Spotlight background in just few clicks. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings. You can press Windows plus I to open Settings. Now go to Personalization from the list. Now scroll down and see lock screen. Here you will see lock screen. Click on it. This is where all screen customization options are available. Now change the lock screen background. Like you will see now, this is the my lock screen. From there you can change the background. You will see three choices. You can click on drop down and here you will see three choices like Windows Spotlight, Picture or Slideshow. Like I'm choosing this one. If you choose your own photo, you can choose a photo also. Click on browse photos, then select any of the picture. Like I am selecting this picture, then click on choose picture. Also from this there you can lock screen status also change like weather and more, Windows file recovery, net speed meter. This is extra features. And that's it. From there you can change the screen timeout. That's it. Now you know how to change the lock screen on Windows 11 easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.